Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can get AI bot on Snapchat. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you simply need to do is to open Play Store and you need to search for the Snapchat. Let me search. Here you need to update your Snapchat. As you can see that my Snapchat is up to date. Click on open. Then you need to click on this icon in the top left. Here you can see an option of Snapchat Plus. So basically you need to subscribe for the Snapchat Plus. This feature is only available in Snapchat Plus. Once you subscribe to the Snapchat Plus, you have the feature of AI bot. So this is a simple process by which you can get Snapchat AI bot. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.